To propagate this succulent we're calling alligator jaw, you're going to need potting soil and something to put your potting soil in so that you can put your cuttings in order to grow them out. I have two different types of potting soil to demonstrate. This one here is a pure organic. It has vermiculite in it, and it has absolutely no soil. This is your more expensive because it is made from pure compost, peat moss, vermiculite, things like that. It's the more expensive kind. And generally speaking, it's better because it's lighter. This particular potting soil has actual dirt, sand. It does have compost, but no vermiculite. And this is going to be a lot heavier, especially in houseplants. That's something to consider, is how heavy your final pot is going to be with your plant growing in it. You know, if you thing weighs a ton, it's going to be hard to move in and out of the house, and may not get the best of care or the right kind of sunlight and all that kind of thing because it's a chore just to move it.